So we started putting these boxes in our new remodeled bathroom, and it's pretty easy to do. And then you can paint the whole thing white so it looks like it's a panel, an actual panel. But you get your chair rail molding at Lowe's, and then you just measure. It's around 32 inches. And then you just divide your length up, draw it up, and then we use pre-made spacing, and these coasters just happen to be 4 inches, so we basically put the boxes up with the spacers. And in this case, this width was 58.5, so we had to start at 4.25 and 4.25 for the end box, and then 4-inch spacing with 14 inches wide by 26 inches tall. And that's basically how you just divide it up with math, and then you know exactly how your boxes will be installed. And I use this guy. This has been a game changer as far as you don't have to have an airline or anything like that. And it's a 5/8 to 2 inch 18 gauge, so it's super little nails. Here they are right there. It doesn't split or anything, but of course, there's holes, but you gotta, caulk that when you're done, which is fine. There's a few extra ones because of, I reuse these, I kind of reinstalled them, so no big deal on that. So basically you install the bottom first to 4 inches with your spacer, and then you put your vertical in and just nail the corner, and then use a level to make sure it's level. And then I do the other one, but I only put the nails in the corner here and here, and then I can move this around, not too much, but I mean, you got to get your miter cuts right to do it.